Today I have a very special video for you guys. A video about the PC of your dreams, something that you have been waiting for. This is one of the best PCs that I've come across. We have a powerhouse on our hand. This PC, powered by Intel, has an Intel Core i9-14th Gen 216GB Kingston Fury RAM that gives it 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a 24GB colorful RTX 4090 graphics card. This specific version being the IGAME VULCAN OC-V version. 1TB of WD black storage, a Cooler Master 360L core with ARGB, and a MSI Z790P motherboard that supports it all cased in the LANCOOL 216 cabinet that comes with the RGB. These components alone make this PC a force to be reckoned with. The i9 has total of 24 cores and 32 threads, with 8 performance cores and 16 efficient cores, with clock speeds up to 6 GHz. The WD black speeds are incredible. The read speeds reach about 7000 megabytes per second and the write speeds about 6000 megabytes per second. The Kingston Fury 32GB DDR5 RAM really helps this PC flourish a lot, giving this PC an extra space to play with, giving that extra push in the performance when the workflow requires it. The 24GB of GDDR6X RAM has a memory bandwidth of 1008 GB per second, 16,384 CUDA cores, with clock speeds of 2235 MHz in base clock and 2520 MHz in boost clock in base mode, and speed reaching over 2625 MHz in OC mode. With some real-world testing, we found out that this PC is as good as it sounds. The 3D benchmarking gave us a score of 9,898 in Mark Speedway, 25,654 in Firestrike Ultra, 19,398 in TimeSpy, 25,456 in Port Royal. In games like Metro Exodus, Cyberpunk 2077, Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, Hitman 3 and many more. Played at 4K Ultra settings, the PC gave an average of over 100 FPS. The PC further performs in all your content creation needs. Time taken to encode a 4K 30 FPS 5-minute timeline was just under 2 minutes. The Puget Bench score for Premiere Pro was 129.4, which was almost 12% faster than its predecessor, the 3090. And the Puget Bench score for DaVinci Resolve was over 200 FPS, which is almost 40% increase in performance compared to the 3090. Well, regardless of what your workflow is and what you do with this PC, you will not be disappointed. This is one of the best PCs that I've come across, hands down. You can get this PC on VishalPeripherals.in, where you can also customize and build your own PC if you want to. I'll leave the website link down below for you. So let me know your experience with this PC if you do buy it. If you have any questions related to it, you can drop it down below in the comment section and we'll try to answer all of it. I'll see you in the next video.